Okay, hello everyone. Guys, just in case some of you missed the Zoom meeting where we went through the vocabulary assignment, because it's a little different here today. You have to use Desmos. So I thought I'd go ahead and do it and record it in case you missed it. All right, it's in the bottom green folder. This is today's folder. It looks a little different because I haven't published it yet, okay? So it's not very bright. The very bottom, this is today's folder, the bottom green folder in today's assignments. It's kind of a long one. Guys, the Desmos graphing calculator is on the bottom. I just click on there to open it up because we're going to use it. The vocabulary, though, is the very top assignment. It's right here. I'm going to open it up. We'll take a preview. All right, this is the height and weight of several adults. We want to estimate a line of best fit. What we're looking for is the slope and the y-intercept. Right, and we're just going to put them in there. We're going to use Desmos, and I'm going to put all these in the numbers in the table right in Desmos, okay? So here we go. I'm going to click over to Desmos. Click on this plus sign where it says add an item, and I'm going to add a table. All right, now this takes a minute. I have to put all these numbers in, okay? 4.6, 98, 4.95, 109, 5.15, 118, 5.55, 140, 6.1, 167, 6.3, 182. Okay, there's our table. I'm going to kind of hit this little zoom fit button so we can see where, there they are. They're right there, okay? Now, if I click below this, we can put an equation in there if we do it the right way. Y1. And then I want this little squiggly, like approximate, like that. And we want to know what the M is. And then we want X1. And we're going to add B. All right, there's our line. Nice. And it tells us what this stuff is. M is right down here. You see it? M is 49.99. That's basically 50. M is 50. All right? And B is negative 136 points, basically negative 136. All right, I think I can zoom out here. See, way out here, I can zoom out. Yeah, you see how it's negative down here? All right. That's kind of cool. All right, it gives us our line of best fit. It's pretty good. All right, let's go back to the vocabulary assessment. Now that we have our answers, what were they again? 50 and negative 136. All right, so this is 50. The slope was 50. And the y-intercept was negative 136 right there. Boom. All right. Guys, I just wanted to do that for you because I think it's kind of cool and I didn't want you to have to dig through Desmos, okay? But if you want to try Desmos, it's pretty cool. All right, that's it. Thanks.